What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and staying safe during this quarantine. In today's video, as the title says, I'm going to be doing an oil change and coolant replacement under 10 minutes. So I wanted to challenge myself to see if I can do it under 10 minutes. I'm gonna be doing from draining the coolant, draining the oil, and changing the oil filter, and then replacing it with new fluid. So I'm gonna be doing all that under 10 minutes. Wish me luck, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So what I'll be going to use is oil disposable box, Mobile One oil filter, coolant, some empty bottle. Ready, set, go. "26 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright, well, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what I should do next. If you guys want to see more photography tips, videography tips, content, please comment down below. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.